So the journey of moving the hogs from the garden paddock out to the woods was quite an adventure. We started with what we assumed would be an easy following of them to our food buckets. As you can see, that was not the case. After the hogs took many detours into the dense brush of the wooded area, they finally made their way around and walked right into the new paddock fencing like nothing ever happened. We're a family of 5 that sold their 1-acre suburban farmstead in search for less. We bought a 5th-wheel camper, renovated it, and live in it full-time on wide-open farmland. We share our love for learning about a simple, natural, and sustainable lifestyle in hopes to inspire others. Welcome to our story. Welcome to The Seed That Sprouted.
Hey y'all, Maggie with The Seed That Sprouted. We are here on our first rotation through the woods with our American guinea hogs. These hogs are 5 months old. We just moved them into the woods in this paddock and we're getting ready to rotate them to the next paddock. So come set up some electric fencing with me. So this is their current paddock that they're in, and this fencing right here runs down that way, around, and connects over there.
So this is the start of their new paddock. It's gonna go down, around, and behind that thicket. And I'm very curious as to what they're going to do with that dense thicket, because they cleaned up this area over here really well. We're going to go down on the other side over there to connect the new fencing and to lift the old fence up so that the hogs can go underneath it and enter their new paddock. After connecting the new fence and sliding their shelter into place, I lift the old fence so that all 3 hogs can go underneath it and enter their new paddock. Some of the hogs were definitely more cautious than others. Once the hogs have entered their new paddock, I went ahead and started gathering up all of the old fencing to finalize the new fencing connection to the solar energizer. After walking the entire fence line and doing a careful inspection to make sure that nothing was snagged or hanging up on the fence, we plugged in the solar energizer and then tested the fence line to make sure that the voltage was the correct reading.
Yeah, trouble. So when you're buying your meat from a local farmer that raises their hogs or their beef or their chickens, lamb, you name it, on a rotation of pasture, please thank them, pay the money for it, That farmer worked really hard for that food to be on your table.